sixth race. Take two. And there they go. They're off and pacing this time. And as they get away, Capitan Rec fires out. Modern Mojo is second, and there goes the inquiry sign. Race number 6 under an inquiry here early. Away in third towards the inside. That's Now Who's Lapping. Up into fourth as they straighten up the backstretch is Rebel fourth. Pacing fifth, St. Lad's Nano. 6 is Starship Hall. Homer's Boy Bart is seventh. Then in eighth, that's the Dominator. And Pure Discretion is trailing ninth. On by the opening quarter, Capitan Rec on the engine here with Mark Bradley. 29 and 2 the quarter mile. Pacing in the 2-hole as they move round the turn. Modern Mojo, then in third, Now Who's Lapping. Pacing from fourth is Rebel fourth. Backfield moving out. Starting up fifth on the outside is Homer's Boy Bart. Then in sixth, the Dominator. St. Lad's Nano is seventh. Pure Discretion is eighth. And now the trailer, Starship Hall ninth. Into the turn they go. They arrived at the half in a minute and a 1/5. Capitan Rec, the leader, midway into the turn. Modern Mojo getting the 2-hole ride. Now Who's Lapping third. From the outside, Homer's Boy Bart. First up, fourth. Then in fifth, the Dominator. At the rail, Rebel 4-6. Pacing seventh, St. Lad's Nano. Pure Discretion, Starship Hall ninth. Down to a quarter of a mile left to go. On the front end, Capitan Rec, still the leader. Modern Mojo second. Rebel Force jumped it off here. 3/4 in 1:30 and 2. Just the home stretch to go. Capitan Rec, homeward bound. Modern Mojo coming right to him on the outside. They're in deep stretch now, and it's a Kenny Arsenault double. Modern Mojo gets him there. Capitan Rec is second. Now Who's Lapping third, and we are under an inquiry. 1:59 and 3.